Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu Gwalkar, and I'm from Bellevue, Washington, in the USA. My final project Scorekeeper allows players to show and change game variables such as life totals and inventories. I'm going to demonstrate by using the pre-made account bot, but if you'd like, you can register by pressing here and creating your own account. After logging in, I'm taken to the Open Game page, which has a drop-down menu listing all the games this account can play. Each game is denoted by its name, a date, and a time. The date and time show when the game was created or when the game was last played, whichever comes most recently. Also, each game listed here is organized by the date, so the most recent game played will hence have the most recent date and will be at the top of the list. When creating a game, press New Game right here and be taken to this page. You can add the name of the game, add all player usernames, including yourself if you are a player, and the name of the field and default value. Let's call this field Life and this field Inventory. So let's just set life to 20 and inventory to pistol. Associated with each field is a drop-down menu, which has the values number, text, and unused. Use number if the value associated with the field is numerical. Use text if the value associated with the field, in this case inventory, is text-based, and use unused if you're not going to use the field at all. It's pretty self-explanatory. And there are 17 fields in total, but if you're not going to use all of them, that's okay. Just remember to leave them as unused. Users not, and if you don't enter the users or the username, this pops up. Now let's go back to open game and open this game. As you can see, underneath your fields right here, there's the field and the associated value. And with each numerical value, you can add, subtract, or set. So let's subtract 100 life, because 200 is too much. And let's set our inventory to a pistol, for example. Let's become humble. And after pressing enter, you can see that the changes are synced. We now have a pistol and we only have 100 life now. Underneath enter is the refresh button. By pressing refresh, we can see our opponent's fields getting synced too. For example, underneath refresh, we have opponent's fields and the opponent username. And underneath the username, we have the field and the associated value. If our opponent changes something, for example, they gain 5 life, we can press refresh and then see the change right here. This is Scorekeeper.